Hello, my name is Kiran Trivedi. I am Associate Professor of Electronics and Communication Engineering, and today I am going to demonstrate you artificial intelligence enabled healthcare device which is useful for primary diagnosis. As we know that in the world there are billions of people who are lacking the primary diagnosis. Those who are living in remote areas where hospital is very far, even doctors are not available, refugee camps, etc. All these are the places where people are having lots of problems of primary diagnosis. So this is an approach of a proof of concept kind of a thing by which we can demonstrate that how artificial intelligence can help in primary diagnosing the person's health. So this is mainly based on the tongue diagnosis, or I should say clinical diagnosis of the tongue. Usually when we go to the doctor first of all asks for the that show me your tongue, and based on the tongue's observation they primarily identify that there are some disease. So what we have done in this project is there is a Raspberry Pi which has been trained using number of tongue images, because there are different types of tongues like red tongue, yellow tongue, black tongue, geographic tongue, and raspberry tongue, strawberry tongue, etc. So we have trained the artificial intelligence model, and based on this model it can predict what kind of a problem a person may have. So let me demonstrate you. First of all, I will take a picture of my tongue. Based on the AI model which is running inside this hardware will let me know that what are the problems, or maybe what can be the possibilities I should go for testing of my health, and it will automatically generate a kind of a prescription, or maybe a kind of a prediction, not a prescription but a prediction, and that will be generated automatically in terms of PDF file having a photo of my tongue, and it will be sent to a messenger of like Telegram messenger, and it will contain everything about my clinical diagnosis of my tongue. So let me demonstrate you. So first of all, what I will do is I will run the model, and we'll try to see. This is the camera. I will put my tongue in front of the camera. It will capture the photo of my tongue. So now the photo is taken. It is actually diagnosis. See, now here the photo has been sent to the Telegram messenger. It's already available. Within few seconds you will see that there is a prescription also available. If I open the prescription, it will be generated in a PDF file. You can see that it's a AI generated prescription, and the photograph of my tongue has also appeared here, and it shows that this tongue is primary diagnosis with the following probable symptoms, like there may be some vitamin deficiencies, and it shows it's a purple tongue and maybe some digestion problem or kind of a thing. So it suggests for various tests I should go for. So what are the usability of this sort of model is that we can put some kiosk somewhere in the places where doctors are not available, and a person can go to that kiosk and show the tongue to that camera, and within few seconds it will generate a prescription and suggest the user that you should go for this sort of testing. So where there are no doctors available, there is no medical facilities available, this sort of small AI enabled hardware can help in diagnosing a primary kind of a clinical diagnosis of a person. So we can see that how AI can be very useful, and the accuracy of this system can increase if you have more number of tongue photographs, which can be used for training of the artificial intelligence model. And it has been done using a very small computer like Raspberry Pi and a camera and a very small display, and it can be even sent to the doctors directly so that they can understand that what is the primary problems a person may have. So it's not a kind of a diagnosis, but it suggests you the primary diagnosis that you should go for. These may be the problems you may have. That is what is all about, and it is going to be demonstrated at Kaleidoscope 2019 ITU conference held in Georgia Tech University in next week in 2019. Thank you so much.